The question says if the equation of the plane passing through the mirror image of a point 2, 3, 1 with respect to the line x plus 1 by 2 is equal to y minus 1 by 3 is equal to z plus 2 by minus 1 and containing the line is alpha x plus beta y plus gamma z equal to 24. Then what will be the value of alpha plus beta plus gamma? So what the question is saying that first part of the question it says that there is this line M which L1 which has and there is this point A and the image of this point B over there. It is passing through the line, it lies in a plane point B and this other line. So what will be the equation of the plane? So firstly what we do is find the image of the point A. So we have point M to be equal to 2 lambda minus 1, lambda plus 3 and minus lambda minus 2. So we have direction ratios of the line AM to be equal to 2 lambda minus 1 minus 2, lambda plus 3 minus 3 and minus lambda minus 2 minus 1. So therefore we have AM line perpendicular to line L1. We have AM line's equation as 2 lambda minus 3 lambda and minus lambda minus 3. So therefore we have 2 into 2 lambda minus 3 plus lambda minus of lambda minus 3 to be equal to 0. So therefore we get 6 lambda to be equal to 3. We have lambda's value as 1 by 2. So therefore we get the value of point M to be equal to 0, 7 by 2 minus 5 by 2. Now M is the midpoint of AB. So we have M to be equal to A plus B by 2. So therefore we have B to be equal to 2M minus A. Now putting the X, Y and Z coordinates separately for M and A, we get the values of X, Y and Z coordinates for B as minus 2, 4, minus 6. So what we have to do is find the equation of the plane passing through this point and containing this line. So then it is given to us, the line which is given to us as x minus 2 by 3 is equal to y minus 1 by minus 2 is equal to z plus 1 by 1. So the line B, the point B2 of the line will be equal to 3, minus 2, 1. Now the normal vector of this plane will be parallel to B2 cross PB. So therefore we have B2 to be equal to 3i minus 2j plus k and PB as minus 4i plus 3j minus 5k. On taking cross product of both this vector, we get the value of normal as 7i plus 11j plus k. So therefore we have the equation of plane as r vector dot n vector is equal to a vector dot n vector. So now substituting these values, we get the value of the constant, that is r vector dot 7i plus 11j plus k to be equal to minus 2i plus 4j minus 6k dot of 7i plus 11j plus k. On taking the dot product, we get 7x plus 11y plus z to be equal to 24. So therefore we now have the equation of the plane. Now comparing it with the one given in the question, we get a value of alpha as 7, beta as 11 and gamma as 1. What the question is asking, what will be the value of alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is equal to 7 plus 11 plus 1 which is equal to 19.